Hey students, here's a very quick video on how to number the pages in your composition book. First things first, see this composition book? Right here, do you see the 100 sheets? 100 sheets, 200 pages, so I know I got the right one. It doesn't matter inside if it's college rule or grid or wide rule, doesn't matter. You're going to open the book. See how I'm in the cover? This is the very first page, top right corner. You're going to put the number 1. Okay, you're going to turn the page directly on the back of that 1. You can see the 1 through the page. See how I can see that 1 right through there? And back here, let me get something clear to write on. Back here, you're going to write 2. Okay, come straight across the page to the very outside upper corner and put 3. And that's it. So on and so forth. You're going to number every page of the book all the way through the end of the book. It should have how many pages? 200 pages. Every page on the right should be an odd number. Every page on the left should be an even number. Number your comp book pages like this and do it this way, or I have to make you do it over again. Okay, do it in the exact placement the way I've shown you. Thanks, students.